Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can use the GitHub and how we can create repositories. So here we go. So first of all, open the github.com. You can see this is the website, and in the right top side you can see the sign up button. Click on it. So once you click on sign up, you need to fill all the information like email, password, username, your country, and just click on continue button. So once you create an account, you need to log in. So let's click on the sign in button here, and you need to put your username and the password that you just created. So once you log in, your dashboard look like this. So I already have created account. So you can see I have the top repositories in the left side. In the middle, you can see the Ask Copilot and the home, some information. In the right side, you will find the latest changes and the explore new repository. Now we need to create a repository here because we need to upload our project in a GitHub. Okay. So you can see the plus icon in the top. You can see this one. So click on that plus icon and you will see the option of new repository. There are a lot more options, but here we are going to learn how we can create a repository and upload our project into GitHub. So now you have two options. You can click on new repository here, or you have one more option. You can see the new button. Once you click on it, that will also create a new repository. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and click on the new repository. Done. Now you can see we have option of repository name. So you can put any repository name. Suppose I created one extension code. Okay. So project name is clone extension. Okay. So this is my project name. And here you can see the description. You can put any description here. Suppose clone website extension. Okay. Now you have option of like public or private. So when you make it public, so all of your code, anyone can read it or anyone can clone it. But when you make it private, so only the authorized people will access your code. So I'm going to make that repository public like this. Now you have option of readme file. So just check this. Once you check this, so that repo will automatically create one readme file where you will put all the information about your project. So just click on it. And now let's click on the clone repository. So once you click on it, you can see this is the dashboard of our project. Done. Now you can see the readme file we have, and we can see the pen icon here. This one, just click on it. So once you click on it, you have the readme file added. You can edit anything. You can just say here, you need to upload that file in Chrome extension, something like that, and just click on commit changes and click on commit. Done. Now this is a readme file. Now I need to upload my all extension file or any project file. Okay, how we can do this? So simple as that. Click on that extension. Okay, clone extension. Just click on it. Now you can see this is we have a readme file. Now you can see the add file option. Click on it. You can see you have a create new file. You can create any file here or you can upload it. So click on upload file and click on choose file. And I have this extension. You can see I have two files. Click on extension HTML and use the shift command, shift, to select another file. Okay, I'm going to select. So I'm going to just select both file and click on open and just wait some seconds. And you can see both file is uploaded. Then now you need to after uploading the file, you need to click on the commit changes. Just click on it and it's done. Now we have 3 files in our project. Now how we can share that project to anyone? So you can see in the top you will see the URL. Just copy that URL, or you can copy that URL from here also. Just go this and just copy this URL. Now, whenever you open the incognito window and just paste that URL, and you have that file. You can see this file, TCP GitHub, README, extension HTML, MIT link, every file you have. It means anyone can access your files. So we have successfully created the repository here. So if you have a CV or anything, so you can put that link, your project link, into the CV or anywhere. How we can delete that project? So we can see the setting option, click on it. Just go bottom and you can see the delete this repository. Click on this. And now I want to delete this repository. And then I read and understand its zip fact. Now you need to put here, okay, confirm type, TCP, GitHub. Okay, just click on delete this repository. And it's done. That deleted, you can see, deleted. This is the easiest way to use GitHub to create repository and upload your project file in your repository. And you can share this with anyone. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.